welcome back. I'm Pashvika. Welcome to my channel where we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. In today's video, I'm going to talk about my experience so far with selling my work, my art on the print-on-demand marketplaces. Like I started my journey back in the 2020 and so far it's 2023, almost 3 years. Not really 3 years because I started in the late May or June, I guess, of 2020. But again, we can take it as 3 years, and I'm going to share my experience working with the different platform, how much money I made and all that stuff. Plus, I'm also going to be talking about the marketing strategy for promoting your print-on-demand products, whether it's on Zazzle, whether it's on Teepublic or any other print-on-demand platform. So let's dive in. Give this video a big thumbs up, consider subscribing for more such videos. We have a lot of cool free resources. The links are in description box below. You can support me in my channel on the Patreon. The links are in description box below. We have a lot of the cool stuff, guys. Make sure you do check it out. All the links are in description box below. You can actually join the free Discord server. That's a private server, completely free community, and you can talk with other people in the community, or you can talk with me in the community as well. The link is in also description box below. Anyway, let's talk about, first I'm going to talk about my experience, then I'm going to talk about how much money I made, and then I'm going to talk about the marketing strategy that you could implement right now recently. Okay, so I started with the print-on-demand, I think back in the May or June of 2020 with the Redbubble, and my Redbubble account being suspended back in the 2020 or 2021. I don't really remember. I made a couple of the videos about the Redbubble account suspension. I'm gonna leave those videos in the card section above. Basically, I was having the 2 Redbubble shops. It took me like 4 to 5 months or 6 months to get my first sale, and then I started with the second shop. I was selling a couple of the stuffs on that, but I don't know what happened. My Redbubble account suspended. One of them was suspended, and since I was using the same IP address, the second one also got suspended. So my Redbubble journey was ended there on then. I didn't start that after that later on. Then I started with the second print-on-demand platform, that was the Teepublic, and I think I started back in the 2020. I don't really remember the exact month. Again, I have made the video about getting the first sale. I'm going to leave that video in the card section above if you're interested in knowing more about my past journey about the Teepublic. But I started on that platform. I think it took me like 2 or 3 months to get the first sale, and I also currently I'm still selling on the Teepublic. So Teepublic has been a great journey so far. Now you would be thinking how many products or how many designs I have. Now I have almost like 1,000 designs, I think 1,000 plus designs on the Teepublic. I don't really exactly remember the number. I have the 2 stores on the Teepublic again. So one of the store I have 1,000 plus designs, another store I have the less products, I think 100 plus only. I don't have much of that because I don't actively upload on that account, but I have these 2 accounts. Now this much designs I have. Now I have the designs in the trending and evergreen niches both. I am not focusing on one niches. It's kind of like a general store. Basically, I have my own style of the work that I create. That's what I sell, but I do sell the trending products like the Christmas items, the Mother's Day, Father's Day, and Halloween and Valentine, all that stuff I also have. I make from 2 to 3 figure every single month on Teepublic. Okay, like when the holiday season is there, when the big hype is there, I make 3 figure in a month, like $100, $200 or something like that. When it's a low season, low month, then I made in 2 figures, that is like $50 to $60 a month or something like that. So that's my Teepublic journey. The third platform that I started was with the Zazzle. Now I started with the Zazzle back in the 2020, but then the first store that I started was very bad because I wasn't working on SEO, the products, template design, or nothing yet. So I just made the first sale, and then I think left the platform for entire 2020. And then I come back on the 2021 and I shut down the previous shop because it wasn't bringing in much of the sale because it wasn't in correlation with the products that are selling on the Zazzle. So I reopened my second shop, fresh new. I think it was around in the late May of 2021. So 2021 till 2023, almost like 2 years I have experience in selling on the Zazzle. Now in the beginning, the growth was really slow. It took me like 3 weeks or a month to get my first sale in that second shop. Now I was targeting in a very sub niche you can call it the niche that I was targeting in the beginning. That was very sub niche, catering to a particular type of the audience. That's why I got the sales quickly. I'm gonna share this strategy later on, okay, because this is the great key to get the first sales fast on any of the platform. So then I opened up the multiple different shops. I think currently I have more than 3 or 4 Zazzle shops and I'm getting sales. So Zazzle, somewhere I'm making from 1,000 to 4,000, like I'm making 4-figure income on Zazzle. some, when the months are pretty low in this January and February, I made around 1,000 or a little bit lesser than 1,000, like $800 or $900. But when the season is high, then I'm making more money. That is around the 3,000 or 4,000. If I include all my shop sales together, if I include all the shops that I have on the Zazzle, I include all the earnings from all the shops, that I'm making somewhat around from $1,000 to $4,000 every single month on the Zazzle. Now, how many designs or how many products I have on the Zazzle? I have thousands plus. I can tell you that I have multiple different stores, and all the stores, if I combine these designs and products, I have more than 1,000 products. In some shop I have 1,000, another one I am having 2,000, and another one I'm having 1,500 or something like that. So it's 1,000 plus products. Now, niches that I'm targeting is the evergreen and trending both. Now, that's why the sales of my shops get pretty low in the January and February, because I do have the trending niches, the Christmas niches, the Halloween niches, the New Year niches. So that's why the sales get low. I do have evergreen niches as well, so that's the mix, kind of like a blend is there. And the next platform that I want to talk about is the Spreadshirt. Now, I'm not that active on the Spreadshirt. I think I started back in the 2021. I don't really remember the exact date, or I actually opened up my Spreadshirt shop, but I do get the first sale, and I think I made that video. I'm going to leave that video in the comment section above. You have a certain limit, like you need to bring in the sales, then only you can move to the second tier. So in the first tier, you're only allowed to upload certain amount of product. I don't really remember the product, how many you are allowed to upload. So I reached to that limit. I think I reached to that limit back in the 2022. And after that, I didn't upload any product on the Spreadshirt because I reached to that limit. I get the few sales, but I didn't cross the first tier to move to the second tier. So that's my Spreadshirt experience. Another platform I sell on is the Society 6. Now, Society 6 is, I think I can tell you, it's kind of like a roller coaster ride for me. I started back in the 2021, started uploading the product. I have only one shop or one account on the Society 6. Now, I have 1,000 plus product on the Society 6 as well. Now, Society 6 sales are not that consistent every single month. They're very, very infrequent because I'm not that much active on the Society 6. I upload one time a week or 1 or 2 times a month, something like that. It's kind of like a trending and evergreen niches both. So somewhere I made from 2 to 3 figure income from Society 6 every single month. Sometimes are very, very low, and some months are very, very high. So it's fluctuate a lot, and I can tell you which will gonna be high or which will gonna be low, but that's the thing. Another last platform that I sell as a print on demand is the Threadless. Now, the Threadless, I think I haven't uploaded any product from the past 6 months. Don't know why, but I'm not really active. I started back in the 2022 itself with these Threadless, and I uploaded a few of the product. The product uploading process a little bit cumbersome in the beginning for me, so I uploaded a few products, and I think currently I'm not uploading it. I haven't made any sales so far on the Threadless. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm not targeting the right kind of niches for the platform, because I'm selling my own kind of art style, and some are the trending niches, but I didn't get sales so far. So we'll see with the Threadless if I get any sale or not. I just need to sign into the platform as well. I haven't signed into the platform, I think, back in the past 6 months. And I think I have a couple of the few hundred designs out there on this Threadless, and that's all the print on demand platform that I've been selling so far in the past 3 years of my online business journey. Now let's talk about marketing strategy. If you're looking forward to get the first initial sales, whether you're on Zazzle, Teepublic, or even you are on Society 6, Redbubble, how to get the first quick sales fast, or how to actually get the big hype boost for your store. Like if you're seeing that you got the initial sales, but now it's kind of like a stagnant growth, there is no big hype. So how to get those hype again and to bring back your sales rise up again. Find that everything that I'm sharing is based on my experience, so keep that thing in mind. The first tip I have for you is please sub niche down. Okay, it's so important because the market has been changed a lot. I think when I started back in the 2020 or 2021, and if I compare it till now 2023, the market has been changed a lot. The niches that were not that competitive back in 2021 are very competitive right now in the 2023. So this thing will going to change, guys. Okay, every time the things will going to change. The best way to get the initial quick sales, or you are a new seller and you're a beginner, is to sub niche down, is to go with the very particular type of ideal client avatar. Let me give you an example. If you are targeting a business niche, okay, this is a very popular niche on any print on demand platform. Okay, this niche is very popular and it's very competitive. If you're just uploading the business card on Zazzle like that, it was very unlikely to get the sales. So you need to pick up the niche in the business card itself so that you can get the sale. For example, you can sub niche down and you could go to the business card for the violin teacher, business card for the nurse, business card for the cardiologist, business card for the spa salon or hair salon. Like, you need to be getting very specific, guys, okay? If otherwise, getting the first sale or initial sales would be very hard because you don't have the sales history on the platform. So it's gonna be really hard. So that's why sub niche down as much as you can and pick up that niche. The best thing is you could do is to actually do the research on that particular platform, whether it's a Zazzle or Redbubble, Teepublic, and see how many dish designs are popping up for that particular keyword and then target according to it. Okay. The second tip I have for you is to focus on other marketing methods as well, not just on the SEO. Also focus on the Pinterest, Instagram, or YouTube, or any other social media platform to market your product. Now, I did promote my products in the beginning of my print on demand journey in the 2020-2021. I was promoting heavily a lot. In fact, in the 2022 as well, in the first quarter or two, I was really promoting a lot on the Pinterest, but now I'm not that much active on the Pinterest. But I can tell you that have one social media platform, have a Pinterest, YouTube, blog article, website, whatever way, other than just relying on the SEO on that platform, so that you're not solely relying on the SEO of that platform. You're also having some other platform to bring in the more sales, to bring in the more customers, and use the affiliate link so that you can also make the money from the affiliate link as well and from the product sale as well. That's the second tip. The third tip I have for you, which I think I've been talking a lot many times, guys, if you see that you got the first sales amazing and now there is a stagnant growth, now it's the time to mix and match. This is the time to mix and match. So if you're a seller, you've been selling the platform for a while, for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and you were getting a lot of the sales, but now sales are slow, it's the time to mix and match, to do the remix. Yes, I know that the remix is being done with the songs, but here as well, the business, you need to do the remix from time to time. If you see that two or niches are performing pretty well in your shop, mix those two niches together and make something else and upload on your shop. Or go with some trending niches. See what's trending right now. Like the COVID was trending back in the 2020. The people were uploading the COVID related design. So right now, see what's popular in the 2023 and upload the designs related to that. Or mix the different niches that are already working for your shop pretty well and create something new out of it. Because remixing the shop or mixing and matching is a great way to continue bringing the sales, because at time, some products were popular and you were getting amazing sales, but then the time goes on and that products are not selling that much. So there is a stagnant growth. To again get that big hype is to actually mix and match and mix in different niches or bring some trending niches to get the sales again. The fourth tip I have for you after mixing and matching, it's really important to actually study the market. I know that this may seem counterintuitive and you have heard a lot from the people. It's really important to study the market. The market is keep on changing, guys, with the evergreen technology, with evergreen social media and online stuff. The market keep on changing. Like before 7 or 8 months or even 10 months or even 1 year before, there was no such tool called AI. And in the past couple of months, the AI is getting popped up after the ChatGPT started, and now the AI is very hot. And now the AI is moving into the 3D technology and animations, and sky's the limit. So that's what I'm saying, guys. The technology keeps on revolving, things are keep on changing, so market also changes with that. So you need to keep yourself updated with the market, what's working, what's not working, what to do, what other people are selling, how well they are performing. Go and do the research on the market on which you're selling, and also go and do the research on the other marketplaces as well. Like you are selling on the Zazzle, go on the Redbubble and look for the niches there as well. Go on the Etsy, go on the Amazon, do the research, or even just go on Google Trend and see what's trending right now, what's working right now. Now, I know that you don't want to go with the trends, but I want to tell you guys, keeping the pace with the market will really going to help you get the sales. Because if you are actually uploading something which is not favorable in the market, it will going to take you a long time to get the sales which you are looking for. So going with the market is really hopping and getting the sales fast, and also getting the break that you're looking for your shop, or the next big hype in your shop, whatever you call it. Tip I have for you guys is utilize the product that are not very competitive. Now I know that you would be saying that all products are competitive, and I totally get it, but some of the products are not that competitive in comparison to the other products. For example, for the Zazzle, if you take it, the invitations, the paper products are really competitive in comparison to the bottle opener, in comparison to the other products like the teapot or something like that. It's not that competitive, right? Some products are way more competitive and some products are very less competitive. So go with the products that are not that competitive and do that research without the product are having how many results, and depending on that, go deep dive and upload the designs of the products that are not that competitive. But then the tip I have for you, upload the designs on the new products. Go with the trends and follow what's coming. What are the latest updates? What are the new products coming in the marketplace? Upload your designs on that, and that will going to help you. These are the some tips or some marketing strategy you can incorporate. Hopefully you find this video useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you want more such videos, or any video request is really welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll gonna see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.